Good morning, children. I welcome you all back again. And in the last class, we read about articles. Today also we will be continuing with the same article, but this time we will be reading about definite article the. Before that, let us recall what we read in video 1, the first video of articles. Let's start. I have something interesting about article A and the. Now, article A and the three are used to point out nouns. A and an are used to show singular things, and the is used to show both singular and plural nouns. And then A and an are used to show person, place, animal, thing, singular. And A is used with nouns that begin with consonants. These are the consonants, like a bus, a cow, a girl, a zoo. An is used with nouns that begin with vowel sounds, that is A, E, I, O, U. An umbrella, an octopus, an ink bottle, an elephant. A and the. These are the three things that we read. I hope the examples were extremely interesting, children, and I hope all of you recalled what we read in the first video. Now we will be learning about the article the. That is, the is a definite article. Let us first read what is there in the book. The article the is used before a specific noun. As I already told, it is used for specific nouns. Now, where the article the is used, children? The proper nouns that are one of a kind, like the Taj Mahal, the Himalayas, a specific person or thing already spoken about. Like if we have already spoken about a particular person or thing, and then a noun that is being shown specifically. If we are showing a noun specifically, in that case also we make use of the article the, children. And then some more examples we have in page number 35, children. The article the is also used before the following, like the name of rivers, the name of mountains and mountain ranges, names of famous buildings, name of holy books, name of group of islands, names of things that are one of a kind, and nouns that are already talked about. Okay, I also have few more examples to show you, children. Let us see that. Okay, I hope you will like it. Use the when a person, place, animal or thing is mentioned a second time. For example, we have a test tomorrow. We want to do well in the test. Test is mentioned 2 times here. We use the when it is clear which person, place, animal or thing is being referred to. For example, we had 2 glass jars, a red one and an amber one. The amber one was very expensive. We use the when there is only one such thing. I repeat, only one such thing. The moon, the sun. We use the when naming a noun that refers to an entire group of its kind. Entire group of its kind, children. The whale is a mammal. Whale refers to the entire group. We use the before ordinal numbers and before superlative adjectives. This is not there in your book, children. The second seat in that row is mine. Second is the ordinal number. You are the best. Best is the superlative adjective. We do not use the definite article the before name of games. And now we make use of the for the name of oceans, children. Name of oceans. Like for example, the Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean. The Indian Ocean. Also use the before the name of rivers and seas. Like the Ganges is a sacred river. Name of deserts. The Thar Desert is in Western India. Name of landmarks. I live behind the fire station. Now children, landmark is basically we can say a place that is visible from a distance. Like generally it is used to locate a place, children. Alright. The names of monuments. The Taj Mahal is an epitome of love. Names of natural wonders. The Niagara Falls are in North America. Then for the names of newspapers, magazines and books. Like the Times of India is a popular English newspaper, children. I hope everyone understood the chapter articles. We will be learning more about it in the online classes, children. Have a good day all of you. Stay safe at home. Thank you for watching the video.